Good morning, my name is John Pablo Aymar and I would like to present about my material, syntax, deep structure, and surface structure. Syntax. Syntax is the study of how words are arranged into phrases and sentences in a language. It examines sentence structure and the rules that govern it. One of the foundational concepts in syntax, especially in transformational generative grammar, a theory developed by Noam Chomsky, is the distinction between deep structure and surface structure. Deep structure. Deep structure is the abstract underlying level of sentence structure that represents the core grammatical relations and semantic concepts of a sentence. It is generated by the base component of grammar or phrase structure, rules, and lexical items. Example: the deep structure, John ate an apple. From this deep structure, we can form John ate an apple, or active. An apple was eaten by John, or passive. Next, we move to the surface structure. Surface structure is the actual spoken or written form of a sentence, the end results after all syntactic transformation have been applied to the deep structure. For the example, you will eat what? Surface structure, what will you eat? The WH word in what move to the front, forming a question. Next, we move to the syntax tree diagram analysis. The first is the sentence, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, is made up of a noun phrases and a verb phrase. The noun phrase, the quick brown fox, includes a determiner, two adjectives, and a noun. It acts as the subject of a sentence. The verb phrase, jumps over the lazy dog, contains a verb and prepositional phrase. The prepositional phrase explains where the action happens and includes another noun phrase. The lazy dog. This sentence is often used because it contains every letter in English alphabet. Number 2. The sentence, the girl who is wearing a red dress is dancing. Talk about the girl. She is described more clearly by saying she is wearing a red dress. The main action in the sentence is that she is dancing. The sentence uses a small clause inside to give more information about the girl before telling us what she is doing. It is a clear and complete sentence. Number 3. The sentence Stefano saw the Yehezkiel with the telescope is made up of a noun phrase and a verb phrase. The noun phrase is Stefano, which acts as the subject. The verb phrase includes the verb saw, the noun phrase, the Yehezkiel, and the prepositional phrase with the telescope. The prepositional phrase tells us how Stefano saw Yehezkiel by using a telescope. This structure shows that the phrase with the telescope is connected to the action of seeing, not to Yehezkiel. Number 4 is this tree diagram shows the sentence, she believes that the earth is round. In this sentence, she is the subject or a pronoun, and believes is the main verb. The word that introduces a subordinate clause or subar, which gives more information about what she believes. Inside this clause, the earth is the subject noun phrase, and is round is the verb phrase that describes the earth. The whole sentence is made of a main clause and an embed clause. It's a complex sentence because it includes another full sentence inside it. Number 5. This tree diagram represents the sentence, the house where I grew up has been demolished. The main subject is the house, which is followed by a relative clause starting with where. This clause gives more information about the house, specifically that it is the place I grew up in the embed clause. I is the subject, grew is the verb, and up is the particle forming the phrasal verb grew up. The main verb phrase in the sentence has been demolished, showing that the action has happened to the house. This is complex sentence with an embedded relative class. That is all from me. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.